Hey y'all, I am out in front of your house and we have a completely finished exterior. They've even got the trim painted and everything, so this bodes well. I think the inside might be painted too, so let's go check it out. All right, it's looking gorgeous. Love that trim color y'all chose. Really helps accent that really pretty neutral brick and gorgeous white stone. Going through the front door. Yep, they sure did. They painted. It looks so pretty. Looks very, very nice. So trim has been painted. Yep, trim's painted, walls painted. Oh, look, they got cabinets. That's awesome. Very cool. So, your secondary bedrooms look fantastic. And, okay, so yes, this is all, let's go to this other bedroom. Looking good. They have got this color, it's agreeable gray, I believe is what y'all chose. Looks very pretty. Awesome. Cabinets, cabinets, cabinets. Love that. So they come in, they stain those off-site, which is why they're covered, they're protecting them. So this is a laundry room. Yep, that looks fantastic. And hey, we can take a little peek so anybody else that's watching, you can see the gorgeous dark color that you chose for your cabinets. And then, oh yeah, money shot. I love it. Oh, this really brings the kitchen together when they get this stuff in here. Love it. It looks so good. Can't wait to see it uncovered. Nice. And then your little office space in here also has its cabinetry. And into the master. Yeah, this paint color is so nice because it really can go any way. If you wanted to accent with some browns or grays, it all works. So agreeable gray, guys. Good color choice. Awesome cabinets, his and her vanity. I think, yep. And then on upper above the water closet. Can say that nicely. Yep. And we saw this last time, but the amazing master closet. Ah, this is really, really pretty, guys. It's coming together. Okay guys, that wraps up the tour this week. Sorry about the background noise, a really large truck just pulled in front of the house. So I'm gonna wrap this up. House is looking amazing. Your next steps are tile, and a good portion of your house is gonna be that wood look tile. So I'm very excited to see what that's going to look like once it's all installed. For those of you that are tuning in for the first time, we are in Buffalo Ridge in Celina, and Celina is an amazing town, guys. If you have not heard of it or not been to Celina, I highly recommend you make a trip out here. It's awesome. Go Cats! I have 3 kids that have gone to school here, and I highly recommend it. Other than that, guys, if you're interested in Buffalo Ridge, give me a call. I would love to help you pick out your next new home. Until next time, y'all be blessed. Bye.